Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And I got a lot of ground to cover today. There's a lot of news out there. Some real world events are happening as well that can play back into crypto. So most likely this is going to become either 2 or 3 videos because I want to cover everything that's going on around crypto right now. So we're looking at XRP on the 1-day chart, sitting here just above 51 cents. Overall, it was a green day for XRP. We dipped and then all of a sudden we bounced back. And it's nice to see that for once. And you know, this is still nothing compared to where we're going. You're not too late to get invested into XRP. It's just a matter of time until we take off. Bitcoin did not have such a great day. It was in the red most of the day, and a lot of people didn't even expect Bitcoin to drop below 60K. But here we are, sitting here under 58K right now. But you know, people act like it's over for Bitcoin as well. It's not. Bitcoin is gonna have a blow off top this year. It's the same reason I'm always telling retail Bitcoin investors, once you get to profit taking, get out of Bitcoin and get invested into utility. You could see the shift happening right now in front of you. We are moving away from hype and moving towards real world use case, but it is not over for Bitcoin. XRP, XLM, and XDC are holding their prices with strength and resiliency, while most of the rest of the crypto market is tanking. That comes from the J. Nelson way. And it was nice to see that, the 3 X's in green. You know, usually it's the other way around. Usually they're in the red. These cryptocurrencies are very undervalued and they feel like they're always, the price of them is always being suppressed at the same time. But today looked very good. Over $248 million in XRP unlocked from crypto amid market decline. And I even had a post on this because the FUD around this happens every single month. Look at Ripple dumping on the XRP community once again. But here's the reality of it. Ripple unlocks XRP. Tomorrow, they will lock back 75% of that XRP. We see it happen month over month. And you know, the price of XRP really does not change even when Ripple unlocks that escrow. It drops 2 cents and then quickly makes it back up. Ripple's Katrin Kohler on the near future of tokenization. Take a listen to this.
I do think we will, what we are seeing at the moment is much more in the traditional financial space. Also thinking about larger companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs getting into the space. A lot of it is driven by digitization and tokenization of financial products and reinventing existing value chains.
And that's why I'm always telling people, you know, BlackRock did not get into crypto because of a Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock got into crypto because of tokenization. And because these banks, these big companies, they know we are pushing through the digital age and they want to cash in on it. It's the same reason I'm always telling you, you got to cash in on the 4th Industrial Revolution. We are already pushing through the digital age right now. And now that the big financial institutions are getting involved, things are going to start to change. But they're not here for ETFs. They're here for utility and use case. Chris Larsen knows lending e-loan. Chris Larsen co-founded Ripple in 2012 to use blockchain technology and digital assets to enable financial institutions to send money across borders instantly, reliably, and for fractions of a penny. Prior to Ripple, Chris co-founded and served as CEO of Prosper, a peer-to-peer lending marketplace, and eLoan, one of America's first online mortgage lending service providers and now publicly traded online lender. During his tenure at eLoan, he pioneered the open access to credit scores movement by making eLoan the first company to show consumers their FICO scores. And if he knows about lending and internet money and internet lending, that's a big deal, because look what's happening right now. XLS-66D lays the foundation for a robust, decentralized lending protocol native to the XRP ledger. Honestly, this is everything that I ever envisioned for XRP when I first started investing in crypto. I always said at some point we are going to be able to lend and borrow against our XRP, be our own bank. Now it's happening in real time. So the proposed highlights: simplicity and direct lending. At its core, the protocol enables straightforward lending with terms directly agreed upon by the borrower and a delegated manager of the lending pool. I always thought we would be borrowing like against our crypto to buy a house, borrow against your crypto to buy a car, pay it back with passive income that you're earning from other crypto that you hold. There's the possibilities on where this is going is absolutely incredible. And you know, those lending pools, they will continue to lock up more XRP as well. Lending pool creation, liquidity providers contribute XRP or other fungible tokens into a lending pool managed by a pool delegate, earning interest, getting passive income. Like I said, those liquidity pools, all of a sudden there's massive amounts of XRP locked up inside of there. What happens then? The demand for XRP rises, pushing the price of XRP higher. There's going to be other liquidity pools all around the world. Some of those pools will be used for cross-border payments. Others will be used for tokenized assets. We are almost there, is what I'm telling you. You see it all coming together now. And that's why I'm always amped up about XRP and the rest of these ISO cryptocurrencies as well. People always say to me, how the hell can you be happy when the crypto market is dumping? How could you be so positive on a day like today? It's because when I look at the big picture, everything I ever thought or had a vision for is happening in real time right now. Bill will offer its customers faster payment speed with the option to deliver payments same day or next day in local currencies through Air Wallets. Air Wallets is partnering up with Bill. And you know, this is just more rails, more payment options that are being opened up all around the world. And right now, they're talking about same day or next day. This will transform into real-time payments over time. Ripple user Travelex and XRP in some BRL corridors has begun a referral program with several Japanese banks as they've scaled back discontinued in-house retail FX services. The program refers bank customers in need of travel money directly to Travelex. And right now, they only have 30,000 customers. They plan on adding another 10,000 customers in the coming months. This is still growing out as well. And it's just another real-world use case. But while we're on the subject of Japan, this is how Japan will use XRP to settle money from A to B, XRP Ledger and Japan, It's happening. So you see SBI Remit and VC Trade. Then you see XRP. Then you see Tranglo tied in there as well. And you know, this is going to be so much bigger than those ETFs that are going live in Hong Kong. This is going to lead to price movement for XRP. Zimbabwe's new gold-backed currency has officially entered general circulation today. Now, whenever we talk about gold-backed money, this is going to happen in other countries as well. But did you ever take notice? It always starts in poor countries. Zimbabwe falls among the poorest countries in the world. Why does it start there? Why do CBDCs start in poor countries as well? Because these are the testing grounds for what's to come. We are going to be looking at gold-backed currencies all around the world in the coming years. A lot of this is going to happen at a very fast pace when it does. All it takes is one big country to go to a gold-backed system, and all the other big countries will follow. And all of a sudden, XRP will be moving the value of gold. It's just a matter of time. And the Federal Reserve holds rates at 5.25% to 5.50%. And you see what the first post is right after this. Interest rate stays the same equals get ready to see increased unemployment. What's going on in the United States right now is that the Fed created the problem and now they don't know how to fix it. Inflation is still raging. It's going to continue to rage on. We are going to see hyperinflation at some point. It's just a matter of time. But this is also why you became a crypto investor, so you can break away from this. And I stress that to so many people. Even when I talk to people outside of crypto, I tell them, don't you want something better? Don't you want to have a better future for yourself, for your children? Why would you ever turn your back on crypto when crypto is the escape plan away from this? And you know, they don't see what we see though. They just look at crypto, it's just internet money. And then the first crypto that they ever talk about is Bitcoin. Why? Because I think Bitcoin was also a very big distraction. You know, I'm going to do another video and I'm going to talk about the narrative around Bitcoin right now. And it's not that I hate Bitcoin. I just like to show the Bitcoin retail investors how the world pictures Bitcoin in the future. They don't see it as relevant. They're already pushing in that direction. But you know, this is all happening in real time right now. Everything in the world is transitioning towards utility and use case. And it's just a matter of time until XRP shows its actual price. Because to me, 51.5 cents is not the actual price of XRP. And we already know all the rails are being put in place right now. And XRP should already be sitting at a much higher price. But until it happens, you got to stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.